Down we go. Hell yeah!
Did I get him?
Yeah. I think so. I thought you got him, man. Alright, went about a foot of water.
Hey, I did get him!
Dude, you stoned him.
That Tom?
No, man. Yeah, buddy.
First one, let's go! Size comparison.
Walking through walls in your mirror, breaking them all in your sleep, talking to people who change. The clock on the wall, watch as it's creeping. It's deceiving, you know it's a weakness. I've been watching so long.
Oh, we was northern. There was just one right back there.
Is that one?
Hold on. That's a sucker. This one will lobotomy. Oh, carp. Oh, you smoked it.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
What's going on, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video tonight, and I want to give a special shout out and thanks to my buddy Caleb. He was the one that brought Dave and I out bow fishing. So he was bringing out one of his buddies named Jason. We brought out another one of our buddies named Brad, and it was a great night. You know, I was able to shoot my first 2 ever fish with the bow. You know, decent sized carp towards the end of the night. Then my first fish was just a medium sized sucker. And you know, I've gone a couple times in the past, and I just haven't been able to connect with a shot. So it was really awesome to be able to get those 2 fish tonight. And with 5 people in the boat, you know, it was pretty hectic. We got stuck on a sandbar. Me and Caleb had to get out and push. So it was kind of a crazy night, but that just added to the fun of it. And we were all able to shoot fish, which was really cool. And I just can't wait until the next time that we're able to get out bow fishing with Caleb. So if you guys liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe, or click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.